Are you in need of premium quality mini cupcake holders for your baked creations? Look no further. Introducing our plastic containers with lids Black Cupcake Boxes, the perfect solution for all your cupcake packaging needs. Made from durable and BPA-free plastic, these mini cake containers are not only reliable but also portable. With their lightweight design, you can easily transport your delicious treats without any hassle. What sets our small clear cups with lids apart is the use of thicker materials, ensuring that your cupcakes remain secure and protected. The ideal size of our plastic cupcake holders is perfect for mini cakes, desserts, biscuits, donuts, and even cream with chips. The inner width measures approximately 2.6 inches, while the outer width and height are 2.8 inches, allowing for a snug fit. No more worrying about your delicate creations getting ruined during transportation. Our mini cupcake containers feature a brilliant design. The dome-shaped transparent top paired with a sleek black bottom creates an elegant look, making your small cakes appear even more delicate and beautiful. Impress your friends and family with a clear plastic mini cupcake box that showcases your baked goods in style. These versatile mini cupcake containers are suitable for a variety of foods. Use them to store little cakes, meringues, buns, candy, sushi biscuits, donuts, muffins, cheese, bread, cheesecakes, cupcakes, chocolate-covered cookies, strawberries, mooncakes, macarons, and egg yolk pastry. The possibilities are endless. Not only are these single cupcake containers perfect for everyday use, but they are also ideal for special occasions. Each package includes 50 disposable stands, making them a convenient choice for Christmas, Thanksgiving, weddings, baby showers, birthdays, and even Mother's Day celebrations. Our cake containers plastic disposable also serve as a sweet gift for your loved ones, such as mothers, teachers, and fathers. Please note that these cupcake holders are designed for use in the U.S. For international use, you may need an adapter or converter to ensure compatibility with your destination's outlets and voltage. Please check before making your purchase. Don't miss out on this fantastic product. Click the short link provided. https://amzn.to/3t44xtn to learn more about our plastic containers with lids Black Cupcake Boxes and to place your order. With our product, you can finally transport your delectable creations with ease while maintaining their beauty and freshness. Order yours today and elevate your baking experience. Product information. ASIN B092SRGRN2 Customer Reviews 3.6 out of 5 stars, 1014 ratings. Best Sellers Rank Number 36,417 in Kitchen and Dining. See Top 100 in Kitchen and Dining. Number 63 in Cupcake Carriers. Date first available April 17, 2021.